How to track your order on Vinted. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can track your order on your Vinted account. So what do you do first? The first step is to open up your PC, head over to your browser, and then on your home page, to be sure if you've logged in into your Vinted account, move to the top right corner where you'd see your profile picture and all of that. Then once you can see that, you're sure that you've logged in. So once you're logged in, the next step is to move to the top right corner again, and then you'll see some icons such as the inbox icon, notification bell, your favorite icon, as well as your profile icon. Then click on it. So once you've clicked on that, you'll see a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll see options like profile, settings, personalization, balance, my orders, donations, invite friends, logout. So click on my orders. And so after clicking on my orders, you will be taken to the page where you would see your orders and the categories they fall into. So the categories displayed here include all, in progress, completed, cancelled. And then by the left side, you would also see the sold items as well as the bought items. So the next step would be for you to identify the items that you would like to track. Where does it fall under? Is it under the sold item or under the bought item? So as you can see it, click on the order. And so after selecting the order, by the right side of the order, you'll see the option track my item, all right, on this same page. So for me, you cannot see anything here because I have not made any order yet. I've not gotten any orders as well. But for you, move to the right side, you'll see the option track my order, click on it, and from there, you would see what you need to do to be able to track your order. All right, it's that simple. So just find your way to my orders page and then click on select the item that you'd like to track, move to the right side, click on track my order, and you're good to go. So this is how you can track your order on Vinted. It is very simple and straightforward. So ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.